the Weather Authority.
All right, check out our home view in Somerset this morning. Lots of clouds out there. Look, it is just a gray morning. We do also, though, have very cold temperatures, and those temperatures not going to climb much at all as we head into the afternoon. We will likely see them climb just a skosh. We'll look at those numbers right now. 30 is the temperature in Somerset. A wind, though, out of the northwest at 7 makes it feel like 23. So if you're heading out the door today at any point, even into the afternoon, dress for it to feel colder than the actual temperatures. I expect those feels like numbers to stay mainly in the 20s through the balance of the afternoon. Here's a look at all the clouds out there, and even the radar showing some flurries or some light snow, especially up in northern Kentucky. Some of the flurry activity, though, so light that it's not showing up on the radar, though. 31 Lexington, a lot of spots are right at 30 degrees, 37, though, in Harlan. And you factor in the wind, and we just told you, it feels like the 20s, even at times a couple of isolated teens. Now, satellite does show some breaks in the clouds back here to the north and west, a little pocket of breaks in the clouds toward Indianapolis. That likely scoots into portions of northern Kentucky in the next few, but farther west, look, the clearing line is almost to Louisville. But a lot of guidance shows that what will happen is just as soon as that sun starts to come out in those areas that we could get those clouds to reform. See it here? Watch that back edge of the cloud line nudge east. So I do think we'll get some peaks of sun as we head into the afternoon. More sun the further west and south that you live. And in those areas, it likely gets warmer because the sun's through the clouds. Those flurries likely continue, though, through a good part of the day. If you have low clouds hanging on, flurries could be squeezed out at any point. We do see clearing take place gradually overnight, and then tomorrow we bring in another snow chance. So for today, I think a lot of us are low to mid 30s. Areas that see some more peaks of sun getting through later could get into the upper 30s here. That west wind 10 to 15, though, regardless, will make it feel like it's in the 20s even this afternoon. Tonight, cold, blustery, clouds decrease, upper teens and lower 20s. Let's talk more about that snow chance, though, coming in here for tomorrow evening. All right, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night into Sunday morning, a swath of some light to moderate snow will be scooting across the state. How much could we see? Everybody wants to know that. A dusting to an inch is a possibility, okay? The greater chance of getting likely more than a dusting would be across central and northern parts of the state. Here's your 7-day forecast. We're watching temperatures that stay cold through the weekend and even into the start of next week before we moderate a bit by Wednesday and Thursday. Stick around. We're back after the break.